Bigfoot here with Bigfoot videos. So in today's video, we are gonna do, it's gonna be digging crawl space day 6. So we're gonna bucket up 36 buckets of dirt from the stockpile I dug the other day. And once I'm done with that, I'm gonna probably dig another strip out to get a little bit closer to this exterior wall, but not too close. And then after that, I'm probably gonna dig the whole space down just a little bit deeper, at least in some sections. So here we go. Enjoy the clips, enjoy the video. So that's going to be a wrap for the day. I got almost 36 buckets worth of dirt out of here. I just didn't have as much as I thought I did to dig out of here. So my next step is I'm going to go ahead and clean out all the junk and trash and concrete bits and bricks and all that good stuff and get it out of here. and just get as much stuff as I can out of here and out of the way. And then I'm going to, I know I'm gonna have to dig beneath me about a foot in towards the footing. So I wanna be a little bit closer to the footing. But other than that, the only other digging I'll do is potentially straight down. And, but I'm gonna kind of assess that and leave that up in the air for now. I keep going back and forth. So if you enjoyed today's video, enjoyed today's content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section. Now go check out some of the other content. Appreciate it, everybody. Bigfoot out.